so this pattern calls for a multiple of 10 plus 4, which I realize that I didn't add the 4 on this. So once you so once you reach your desired width, then just chain 4. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then chain the 4. So it says that you're going to double crochet in the 8th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be here. You're just going to double crochet, and then you're going to double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. So I always go in the back loops or the humps. Just gives it a cleaner look, and it's easier if you're going to do a border. So it should look like this. Okay, so next you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, and in the 3rd you're going to do a double crochet, and then in the next chain another double crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, and you're going to do 4 double crochets in the next 4 chains. And then again, you're going to chain 2, skip 2 chains, and then 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains. Like this. So this is what's going to look like as far as the foundation row. So again, skip 2. And then maybe I think I'm going to be off by some chains. Let me see. This is what it looks like, because I forgot to show that. This is what we're making right here. So then again, let me do my 4. Crochets here. It looks a little difficult, but it's not at all. So then you're going to skip, you're supposed to have 3 chains left, so skip the 2, and then you're going to do a double crochet here. Oops, I have to chain 2 first, so chain 2. And then so this is what it looks like. So the next step is you're going to chain 1, turn, and then in the same right here, this very first stitch right here, you're going to do a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 1 double crochet, and then the next one you're going to do 3 double crochets in that same stitch. Then you're going to chain 2, and then in this next double crochet you're going to another 3 double crochets. Then you're going to just go ahead and jump to these next double crochets, and you're going to do a single crochet in each. Then skip this double crochet, and then do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then this next one 3 double crochets, and then you're going to jump here and you're going to do a single crochet and a single crochet. So here at the end, you're going to end with a single crochet. So technically this is, should have, is this 5 or 6? I think it's 6. No, 5 chains here. So you're going to single crochet 1, 2 on the 3rd chain. But I would suggest going down a little bit here. That way it looks straight. See? Because I guess if you do it here, it's going to look a little wonky. I'm not sure. But that's why it looks a little bit straighter. Okay. So next row, you are going to chain up 6. Then you're going to jump here in the chain 2 space, and you're going to do 2 single crochets like this. Then you're going to chain 2, and then on top of these single crochets right here, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Chain, is that 3? Yeah, it's supposed to be 3. Chain 3, and then go into the space and do the same. 2 single crochets, chain 3. Oopsie, it's supposed to be double crochet. So it's 1, 2 double crochets here. Chain 3, single crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and then you're going to double crochet on top of this single crochet, which is kind of hard to see. Looks like this. Now, I tried to change colors on this one, but it didn't turn out. I was having a hard time because of these chains. But because I couldn't do it doesn't mean you can't. You can change colors every other row if you'd like. Or like this row, just make it one color. But I had a hard time doing it, so I just left it one color. Okay, so let me see. So the next row, you're going to do the same as row number 1 here. So you're going to chain up 5. And you're going to do a double crochet in this space right here. Another double crochet in the chain in the single crochet. Another double crochet in another single crochet, and another double crochet in the space. Now, you're going to have to scoot this double crochet up to the, so it can look like this. So here you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do 2 double crochets here. So 1, 2, skip 2, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets here, the single crochets, and then double crochet here. So see, just grab this and just push it over. Chain 2, chain another 2, and here put your double crochet. So just kind of squish them together. Then you're going to chain 2 and do a double crochet on top of this 3 chain. I always do, like I said, a little bit lower so it will be straight, more or less like that. So now you're going to repeat rows 2 through 4. So this is number 2, 3, and 4. So then you're going to start again with your shells. Call it shells, I guess. So just do a chain 1 and then a single crochet in the first. And then skip your double crochet here. Do your 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and then in the next double crochet, do your other 3 double crochets. Then you're going to just jump to your double crochets here and do a single crochet in each one. Then skip 1 double crochet, 3 double crochets in the next one. Chain 2, then 3 double crochets in the next double crochet. So basically just do your 3 double crochets in the middle, double crochets right here. Then single crochet. Then again, just jump to the second double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochets. And then your single crochet over here. See, like this looks weird. I think it happened on this one too. See, just leaves a little gap. I guess it's good. Okay, so this is row 2. Now row 3, you're going to do your you're going to chain 6. Oops. Goodness. Well, then you're going to jump to your space, chain 2 space, 2 single crochet, chain 3, and then here you're going to do a double crochet. The next 2 single crochets. Okay, so you're gonna chain 3, then your 2 single crochets, chain 3, double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Your 2 single crochets there, then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to look for that single crochet below and do your double crochet. So that's row number 3. So row number 4 is going to be your 5 chains. Do 5 chains. And then you're going to do your double crochets. 1 double crochet in the space, and then another double crochet here. And double crochet. Oops. And then your double crochet in that space, and just scoop them together like this, and that's it. So that's your row number 4. So once you finish with that, you're going to chain 1. Then you're going to do a single crochet. Then you're just going to jump into there's going to be 4 double crochets here. Jump into the second one and do this row right here. And that's it. That's the pattern. So this is what it looks like. Oops, that's the wrong way. Here it is. This is what it looks like the right way. So that's it. So again, repeat rows from 2 to 4. And if just email me if you have any questions.